as you see here, we have a demonstrator. Now, you want to place your hands according to your shoulder width. And then he's doing suicide grip, which means his thumb is over the bar and not under it. But what you're doing is you're bringing the bar down all the way to the mid-chest. You're picking it back up for a good repetition of 10 here. Now, remember to start with the desired weight and you warm up before you start to bench press, okay? Once again, this is a simple bench press with the barbell, and that's it, baby.